Hello everyone, my name's Yvonne and today I'm going to show you how to make these popcorn daisy squares. You'll see that they stand proud of the base square, and there's a lovely technique to making them, and if you stay with me I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, I'm going to start by doing the central yellow round, and I'm doing this by putting a slip knot on my crochet hook, and then I am going to crochet 5 chains. I tend to do 5 rather than 4 because otherwise I would end up with a very small circle, and I'm going to do 12 stitches into the circle, so I need a fair bit. So once I've got my 5, I go back into there, which is the very first one, and with a bit of fiddling I'm going to pull through, and that's created that little ring there. Put that waist out of the way and then do 2 chains. Then yarn round the crochet hook back into the centre there and pull through once and pull through twice. Okay, the Americans call this a treble stitch, and we're going to do 12 of those. Oh, actually we're going to do 11 because the first one counts as a stitch, and we will end up just going through each one until we get to the end and we have our 12. This yarn tends to split quite easily, so if you've got a yarn that splits, be careful you don't lose half of it as you're going round, because you won't have a nice neat finish on your work. So when we get to the end we'll be ready to go on to the next round. So I've got my 12 stitches on here, and when I get to this point I've just pulled the yarn up like that. Then I take my scissors and cut it and pull through this one. Then using a long and big eye needle I'm going to go through that stitch, which is the first one, the first chain, and you can do this each time then that you come to the end of a row, and you will get a nice neat finish. So through there and then back through your original stitch that you came out of. If I just pull that out of the way, you'll see that you've now got a nice finish on this. So with this, you can either crochet it in as you go along, or what I tend to do is I tend to use the needle and then just thread it back through, and then we're ready for the next round. Right everyone. between them for your next round. So we'll do it again, 2,